Hey everybody, it's Dr. Roberts, and we are on day 5 of the Keto Lifestyle. And I'll have to say, this has been the best day so far. Woke up with a little bit of a headache this morning, but that quickly went away after eating breakfast. And I think one of the biggest things that contributed to that headache that I had for like the first 2 to 3 days, 2 to 4 days maybe, was number one, dehydration, and number two, your electrolytes being depleted. And that is a very common thing that happens when you are on the keto lifestyle. Is you have to be aware of your water intake, and you have to be on top of your electrolytes. And when I say electrolytes, I mean sodium or salt, potassium, and magnesium. And the way that I've been handling that was I supplement every morning with a magnesium supplement. Basically increasing salt on your foods as you're eating throughout the day. But I think the thing that's helped the most is we got those Mio electrolyte supplements. Now, I'm pretty sure, I have to check, I think they have sucralose in them, so it's not the greatest thing ever, but it does help as you're drinking your fluids throughout the day, as you're drinking your water throughout the day, to just be able to pop some of that into your water, and boom, you've got a massive amount of sodium, potassium, and the magnesium supplements, like I said before. So again, this has been the best day so far. I've been full of energy. As you can see, the sun is getting ready to go down. Just got home, had dinner, and I have a lot of energy. I'm not tired. I don't feel fatigued. Pretty excited about what tomorrow's going to be. Glad to be rid of this headache. That was pretty rough. And I knew to expect that, and I tried to prepare for it as best that I could. But I think just the transition of going from burning carbs to eventually burning fat in this whole process just took a toll on my body, and it was a shock to the body. But I'm glad to now be hopefully transitioning up and feeling better and better and better each day. But again, I'll do another in-depth video on supplements. I'll probably do a separate in-depth video on electrolytes and how to properly supplement that and make sure that you're getting enough. Whether that's an individual video specifically for that, or if I do like a top 5 tips to begin keto. I don't know, whatever. We'll come up with something. But I just wanted to check in with you guys today. Like I said, I'm going to try to do this as much as possible. I'm not always going to be sitting down at the same spot. I'm going to be out and about doing things just whenever I feel like I have a chance to send you guys a quick message. So I hope you guys enjoy this, and I look forward to tomorrow. We'll see you guys.